cortex. Here, this is medulla. But friends, here you see the medulla has some cone shaped structures. These are called renal pyramids. See the renal pyramids. For each kidney, they are about 7 to 14. See how these are arranged. The kidneys are also called as renal pods, and the structures are in triangle shape. So the structures are called renal pyramids. See here, we already know this is the cortex region. There are some projections into medulla between renal pyramids. Are you able to see? These are columns of Bettin. See the columns of Bettin. Here you see each renal pyramid has apex. The group of apex here the forms pelvis, a cup-like shaped structure. You see, this is the cup-like shaped structure. This is called pelvis. What is this? The pelvis. From the pelvis, the ureter which carries urine from the kidney emerges out. See, this is the ureter. Okay? See once again, this is the cortex region, this is the medullary region, renal pyramids, columns of Bettin, pelvis and ureter. See friends, here the model of renal pyramids, columns of Bettin, pelvis, renal artery, ureter. Friends, we saw the real kidneys. See here the real longitudinal section of the kidney. See how it is. Here this is the digital explanation. This like the longitudinal structure is present. See the cortex region yellowish and reddish renal pyramids, blue pelvis and ureter. Here we identify the spots. This is the cortex region. See here the renal pyramids, pelvis and ureter. This is about the internal structure of kidney. Okay friends, we know about the internal structure of the kidney. We know that the kidneys are meant for filtration of blood and formation of urine. Then how they filter blood and produce urine? Can you say? Anyone? See here, in these kidneys, for each kidney there are 1.25 millions of nephrons are there. Do you know the meaning for nephron? See the nephron. Nephron. The nephron means the structural and functional units of the kidneys. Have you ever seen the nephrons? No, because these are very small and cells-like structures in these kidneys. See here, this is. See, this is the structure of nephron. It is a cup-like shaped structure. Yes, something goes into it and emerges out, and it surrounds about a tube-like structure. Do you know what parts are arranged in this? See, let us explain about it. See, this is the cup-like shaped structure and a coiled structure, and here something thin, and again it bulges. See, this is opens into another one. See, something enters into it. See, this is coil like this and emerges out. See, this is entering. See here, see, this is the structure of nephron. Friends, it has two parts. See, this is one part and this tube-like structure is another part. See, this cup-like shape structure and something enter and coils. Up to this is called as renal body. Here, the renal body means it is also called as Malpighian body and renal corpuscle. See here the cup-like shape structure. This is called as Bowman's capsule. See this cup-like structure and something coils in it. It is the glomerulus. See, the glomerulus is a branch from renal artery, comes into it and forms a tuft of capillaries and it emerges out like this and it surrounds the renal tubule here like this. See, so the tuft of capillaries formed in the Bowman's capsule are called as glomerulus. This is afferent arteriole, and this one is efferent arteriole. Friends, the afferent arteriole is thicker than efferent. So, this is about the glomerulus. Then what about this tube-like structure? This tube-like structure is called renal tubule. See, the renal tubule also involves three parts. See here, the tube is coiled. This is proximal convoluted tube. What is this? Proximal convoluted tube. In the short form, it is also called as PCT. Here, it further continues like straight. This is Henle's loop. The Henle's loop has two tubes. These are, here it downs descending limb and here it is ascending limb. After the Henle's loop, the coil again, the tube again bulges and coiled. This is called distal convoluted tubule. In the short form, it is called as distal convoluted tubule, DCT. See here. So, let us identify the parts. What is this? Yes, the Bowman's capsule. Here what is it? Glomerulus. This is, yes, afferent arteriole. What is this? Efferent arteriole. See here, this is proximal convoluted tube, Henle's loop, distal convoluted tube. It opens into the collecting duct. See here, I already told you the efferent arteriole surround the tubule. This is called as, this red-like structures is called as vasa recta. See here, this is vasa recta. Here this is the digital explanation for you, the location of this nephron in the human kidney. See here where they are present, in the corticomedullary region. See the glomerulus, efferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. Here you can see it surrounds the Henle's loop and forms vasa recta. See this red and blue like structures. This is from renal arteriole and this is from renal vein. See again the proximal convoluted tube, Henle's loop. In Henle's loop it is the ascending limb, this is ascending limb, this is descending limb. Here the distal convoluted tubule and opens into collecting duct. This is the structure of nephron. Let us friends, we know about the functions. Here also you can see the position of glomerulus in the nephron. See the kidney, nephron and the glomerulus. See this is glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. See in the small or the simple structure also there is another structure. Let us learn about it. See what is this? Yes, the Bowman's capsule. Is it clear? And what is it? Afferent arteriole. See it enters and coils like this. See how it is coils and comes out as efferent arteriole. Okay friends, the inner surface of this Bowman's capsule has specialized structures. See here, the specialized cells are called podocytes. They are helpful for the filtration of blood and forms urine along the glomerulus. Okay, here you see the glomerulus. See efferent arteriole, efferent and glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. See here the podocyte, the filtration process. The podocytes has slit pores, helps in the filtration process. Friends, this is about this. Then what are the functions of these renal tubules? Proximal convoluted tube, Henle's loop and distal convoluted tube. See here the functions of the tubules. See the functions of tubules. See the reabsorption of glucose by proximal convoluted tube. The reabsorption of water takes place in PCT, descending tubule, collecting duct. Reabsorption of salts takes place in proximal convoluted tube, ascending tubule, distal convoluted tubule. Reabsorption of urea in the PCT and collecting duct. Here friends, this is the composition of urine. Urine is about 95% of water and 5% urea. It also has protein from protein breakdown. Hello?
Hello. Hi friend, good afternoon.
Hi friend, good afternoon.
So I would like to ask you.
What is your name?
Pradeep, I am calling from Bikanur.
Okay Pradeep from Bikanur. What are you going to ask?
Where do the bony fishes live, whether in freshwater or seawater?
See, this is a good question. The difference between bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. The bony fishes are katla. Commonly we called bocce. These are present in fresh water and they are not able to live in sea water. Are you understand, Pradeep?
Okay, friend. And one more question.
Okay, ask.
What is the excretory product in amphibians and reptiles?
In the reptiles and the amphibians, the excretory products are urea. See, these are the mesonephridial organs. Are you understand?
Okay.
The mesonephridial organs excrete ammonia and also the uric acid. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for calling. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is M. Jagannath, brother, from Sheikhpet.
Okay, Jagannath, from where are you?
I am from Sheikhpet.
Sheikhpet.
Yes.
Okay, what is your question?
What is mean by hydrostatic pressure of blood?
See here, the hydrostatic pressure of blood means the blood flows in renal arteries and veins. Did you know about it? Arteries and veins. Okay? Jagannath.
Yes.
While the blood flows in arteries and veins, some blood along with proteins and amino acid carbohydrates dipped into the lymphocytes. Okay? Then it filled into the lymphocytes or lymphoid tissue. There is a pressure between blood and lymph. Jagannath. Okay, the call is cutting.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, friend. Where are you from?
My name is Elraj from COE Karimnagar.
Okay, from COE Karimnagar. What is your question?
Sir, here some animals are excreting two types of fecal materials.
Yes.
Like lizard.
Okay.
Excreting one is a black color fecal matter is present, one is a white color fecal matter is present.
Okay.
Actually, what is the reason? Why it is excreting like that?
What is your name?
El Raju.
Okay, Raju, this is a good question. The liver is present in our body. Is it right or not?
Yes.
Yes, the liver produces bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin. Okay? If the toxic material or another waste material present in the food material what it take, it is excreted through the fecal matter. So, the fecal matter color is changed. Hello?
Hello,
Okay, friend, what is your name?
my name is M. Sunita, sir.
Okay, Sunita, where are you from?
I have third call.
Okay,
I have one doubt, sir.
okay, what is your question?
What is the function of columns vertebrae?
The columns of Bettins. The columns of Bettin are the projections of cortex between the medullary pyramids. Okay? They retain the urea or the waste material stored or filtered by the kidneys for the osmoregulation. That means it regulate or the balance the salts and fluids in the body. Is it clear?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
How much percentage of
Okay.
urine
Ah.
filtering our kidneys?
Once again, what is your question?
How much percentage of
Yes.
urine filtering
Okay.
our kidneys?
Actually, 95% of water are there in the urine. See, the blood which is coming into our kidney is filtered by the nephrons. By the number of nephrons present in the kidney, the urine formation is depends. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what is
Where
your
is-
name?
Where is the renal papilla is located?
Renal?
Papilla is located which place?
Friend, the renal papillae or columns of Bettin are the same names that for the projections of cortex into medulla. They are present between the medullary pyramids. Okay?
Showing in diagram.
See here. This is the external surface. Okay? See here. This is like this. See, these are the renal pyramids. Okay? Between the renal pyramids, the columns of Bettin are present. Okay? See, these are the columns of Bettin.
Thank you. Thank you.
See here, the function of Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. See, it filters the blood and produce primary urine here. See, from this they filter blood, and through this the urea is produced. This is about the kidneys. The ureters are the slender tube-like structures present between kidneys and urinary bladder. See, they are lined by transitional epithelium. Hello? Hello?
My name is Sandeep. I am from Secret.
Okay, Sandeep.
I have one doubt now.
Okay.
What is the meaning of hilum?
What is that?
Hilum.
That is not a hilum, the hilum.
Cheppandi.
See here. Here there is a notch present. Did you know? See here, the external structure. This is, yes?
Yes.
See, this is the portion of hilum. Here the ureter emerges out and renal artery and renal veins comes. Okay? See here, this is about ureters, and urinary bladder stores urine, and this urethra passes out the urine which is present in this urinary bladder. Friends, this is about human excretory system. See here the other organs, lungs, liver, sweat glands and kidneys. These are also other organs participated in the excretion.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I am Rangarao from Kollivalsa.
Okay, Rangarao from Kollivalasa. What is your question?
Friend, you say ammonia is converted into urea. On which process?
See here, the ammonia and urea, and this is the uric acid. For these two products, the ammonia is the intermediate product. When it combines with carbon dioxide and leaves water, the urea is produced. For the conservation of water, they have excreted in the form of pellets. The basis material is ammonia. Whenever the ammonia combines with other material like carbon dioxide and participate in ornithine cycle, it produces urea. After then, it converts into uric acid.
Friend,
Okay?
friend, what ornithine cycle takes place in
Yes?
which organ?
Ornithine cycle.
Takes place in which organ?
In the liver also it is take place. One of the reasons is actually Pradeep, Ravi,
No, friend, Rangarao.
Rangarao. See, in the excess metabolism of nucleic acids and amino acids, the cycle halts and it occurs through the cells present in the organism's body.
Okay, friend. Friend.
Okay?
Friend.
Okay, this is the other excretory organs present in our body. See, the lungs exhale 18 liters of blood, 18 liters of carbon dioxide. See, they remove carbon dioxide, and liver produce cholesterol and fatty acids. See, the skin, it has sweat glands and sebaceous glands which secrete the fat material, and the sweat glands produce cooling effect to the body, and sweat glands excrete fats which are excess fats present in the skin. Finally, my special thanks to our beloved secretary Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar sir for providing us this excellent platform, and the encouraging teachers, my principal madam, my zoology madam, and all other my teaching staff for encouraging me for this program. And also I am thankful to Mana TV organizers who telecast my program. Bye friends, we will meet once again. Bye.